Hi guys, this is Nancy at Chicago Funding, and we specialize in real estate investing, lending all day long. I speak with tons of investors every day, whether it's a new investor or a seasoned investor, and I get a lot of questions. But one of our products I really want to address, and I'm going to address it in this video, a line of credit. Why is that important to you? I'm going to give you the 5 reasons why it's the most advantageous for an investing situation on whatever it is you want to do, whether it's a fix and flip or whether it's buy and hold rentals. So let's talk about the line of credit. Number 1, my top product. I can give you up to 90% financing for the purchase, plus I can finance 100% of the rehab. Why is that important to you? Because a lot of investors out there are buying in cash, they're rehabbing in cash, and they keep all of their money stuck into one property until they're able to move it. But if you know that this is available to you through Chicago Funding, get your 90% financing for the purchase, get 100% financing for the rehab, you're showing me 10% down. Now let me tell you number 2 advantage. Now you're able to build and stack your properties. Whether it's one property, whether it's 2, whether it's 3, whether it's 20 contracts in the next year, all you need to show us is a 10% down. This is how seasoned investors leverage their cash flow. Because they're able to move from one property to another, they're able to work on simultaneous properties at the same time. So, benefit number 3, these lines of credit, it's a business line of credit that can go into a business entity name. Why is that important to you? If you have a 750 credit score and you're adding all of these notes and mortgages on your investment property to your personal debt, well, your 750 credit score went down and took a big hit to less than 600, and you're jacking up your debt. So my lines of credit through Chicago Funding, we will finance the business line of credit under the business entity, and it doesn't show up on your personal credit report. That best benefit, one hard pull a year. Whether it's 1, 3, 5, 10 properties in the next 12 months, it's only one credit pull, and everything is under a business entity. So option number 4, or benefit number 4, you can always resize it. I have investors that started a line of credit 2 years ago. They started out with $150,000. Today, they're working with $1.5 million. Anytime and every time there's more additional asset into those bank accounts, guess what? We resize the line of credit. Even if you start a line of credit today, whatever asset that you're able to show us, depending on your experience and depending on the score, we can size that asset to open a line of credit 3 times, up to 5 times the asset. You've got $50,000 in the bank, we can open it up maybe up to $250,000 to get you started. All right, so benefit number 5, okay? It leverages your cash flow. We all tie it in together. That 90% product plus 100% rehab. Pay attention to what I'm telling you. If you absolutely have to buy in cash, highest and best, MLS, auction, go ahead, close it. Once you close that property in cash, draw from your line of credit. 90% of that purchase price goes back into your bank account. Now we can finance 100% of the rehab. So these are quite a few benefits. Then there's more to this, I promise you. But this is how our investors get started. Let me say something. Chicago Funding started these lines of credit maybe 12 months ago. Within the last 12 months, over $35 million of lines of credit have been approved. So what are you waiting for? www.chicagofunding.org. Let's have a conversation, you and I. Let me help you get the lending on the line of credit for you to get started on your real estate investing. Thank you.